At Mid-Ohio Forklifts, we pride ourselves in delivering quality service to our customers. That's why we offer top-notch service for all of your material handling needs. We have factory-trained technicians who can efficiently spot and fix any issues your equipment has. Our technicians have fully stocked vans with GPS to enable more efficient dispatch. Our large fleet enables us to offer quicker response times. Time is money, and we want to get you back up and running as quickly as possible. To ensure your business performs as usual, we offer preventative maintenance programs to minimize potential equipment failure and downtime. Emergency after-hours service is available if needed. At Mid-Ohio, we focus on more than just forklifts. We focus on you. Visit us at midohioforklift.com or call us today for more information.